Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the snooze function in the sleep cycle application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the settings section, click on the more button. And then if you scroll down at the alarm section, click on the snooze button. And as you can see, you can set it to intelligent, regular, and you can turn it off. And with the regular setting, you have to set the exact minute for how long you want the snooze to be on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.